What is going on, guys? Jaime Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Friday, February the 3rd, 2023. In front of you, I have the NASDAQ 5 minute and a 1 minute. 5 minutes, this is where we do our analysis and we see what trades we can take, and then the 1 minute is where we actually take those trades. We are trading on an evaluation Apex account. We have 10 accounts with a trade copier. You can see more on that on other videos that I have. Basically, we are trading with 2 contracts. So our daily goal is from anywhere from 150 to 500. We get our first contract filled, it's 150. We get both, then it's 500. And we try to pass the evaluation account. We have, I think, like $1,500 left. So with this is going to be day 6. So you guys want to watch the other 5 videos, they're on my channel. But with that said, guys, we're gonna wait for a setup. So right now, we look at the big picture. Market is on an uptrend, so we're basically trying to, trade with the trend. So maybe buy the market, but right now this is the overall trend, and again, this is just a 5 minutes. Let me do this so you guys can see it's an overall trend. But if we lock in what has happened from last night to today, came all the way to this high, and now it's kind of retracing. So we don't know if this is going to do a continuation to the downside or if it's going to continue to go up. So you got to be careful with that. But let's wait to see what the market tells us it wants to do. We're going to have, as always, our major zones, support, resistance, and we're going to let the market come to us. So with that said, guys, I'll get you guys back when we're ready to trade. Hey guys, I'm back. So what we're waiting for right now, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm looking to buy the market. So right now, market went up to this first zone, broke the zone, retested it, and now it's going back the other way, right? So we have a minor zone right here, small resistance. So what I'm waiting for is this candle. Okay, this candle is going to close strong. So my entry is not right now, but is waiting for the next candle. Okay, so this one closed a little bit below. My confirmation would come from this candle if it closes green, meaning it's going to close above. So if it does that, then we can buy the market. So it's looking pretty strong. We're going to put an entry right here for now. I don't like to jump the gun, but it's looking good. So we got 15 seconds. Let's see if it gets us. If it closes and doesn't get me, I'm going to have to move it. Okay, yeah, it's going up there. Okay, that's a big move. I'm gonna leave it here, guys. If it comes back and gets me, it's fine. If not, so be it. It might keep going back up. That's okay with me. I will wait. Let's see if it retraces, gets us in. And if it keeps going up, it's fine. We'll wait for it to retrace back. Don't want to rush trades. I like when the market comes to me. I could have put this up here and get fill right here, but usually when it's a big candle like that, it might mean that this movement right here is as far as it's going to go, and then it's going to retrace, and then it's going to continue. So yeah, so let's see. Okay, came back down. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for another setup. This is breaking my rules. If I don't get filled on that candle, then we should just wait. See what it does. It's still early in the morning. We don't need to rush trades. So let's see if this drops back to the zone, and then we can take that. See, right now I would have gotten filled right there. But look at that. It's going to keep going down. So that's why it's important to follow your rules, guys. So if I didn't get filled with this candle, then it's a no-go. Here it is. We would have been in this trade. Probably a break even right now. Okay, now we'll be in negative. So so what I'm going to do is so here's the thing. It came back and retested this minor zone, right? So here, this is another good. It's starting to get to that setup. What we're waiting for is for this kind of little close green. I just don't like it when it's a big candle like this, because then, like I said, the entry is going to be way up there, and then I don't like that. So hopefully this green candle stays about that size, closes there, following closes green somewhere over here, and we can take that trade to the upside. We can have a first target and second target to this next resistance. So that's looking like a setting up. Let's see how that plays. We have about 5 seconds for this candle. Okay, I like that size. Let's see if this one. And again, guys, I'm trading off of minor. I don't like to do the minor. I like to do major zones. So in this case, once we're in the trade, as soon as I start going green, I'll move my stop loss to break even, because again, I don't like to trade 100% off of the minor zones. So let's see what this candle closes, if it's strong enough. Okay, guys, so here we go. All right, guys, we're in this trade.
Order filled.
We're in this trade. Let's see if we get that first target hit. If we get that first target, our stop loss goes to break even. There we go. First target hit. So now, trying to get this bigger.
Order filled.
All right, quick trade. Again, I don't like to trade much of the minor zones, and that's why I have that set up to where it hits my first target, it moves to break even. So again, should not be trading off the minor zones, but I just like the setup, and I know we're trying to buy the market. That's why I went ahead and took this trade. Chances are it's going to continue to go higher, but we're good. 150 right now. It's still early. I didn't trade yesterday, so I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, guys, to see if I can get another nice setup on the major zones. If I do, then I'll take it. If not, we'll just stay with this 150. But see, right now it's gonna probably keep going back up. So with that said, guys, I'll pause the video and see if I can get another nice trade. If not, we'll just call it a day. All right, guys, I'm back. So you guys can see the market was on a downtrend. Came back to this minor support, bounced up to the major, just been playing around, finally broke, retraced, and so we're here. Right, so we're just waiting to see if this candle closes green so that we can take that trade to the upside. All right, guys, so we're taking this trade. Let's see, it gets us in. All right, guys, so we're in this trade.
Order submitted.
Again, I just want to get that quick first target. I'm at a zone where it could potentially reverse. So yeah, guys, man, too late for that. We're gonna wait for it to see if it goes back up, because again, it's still a zone of resistance. So what I'll do is minimize loss here to where it came down to right now. Let's see, if it closes in red, then yeah, we're gonna be in big trouble. Okay, so well, yeah, I want to do that, guys. Don't want to take that risk right now. It's Friday. If it goes up, then that's be nice. If it comes back down, then so be it. We're not going to risk that on a Friday. Let's see, we'll go here. All right, guys, so let's see if that pushes it. Nice. We'll be on this trade. Get that target hit. We'll call it a day. Gets me back out. It's all right. Not a problem. So we get that big push. That's the thing about trading the zones right here.
Order filled.
All right, so it didn't do it. It got me out. So that's Friday. That's it, guys. I'm not gonna risk. I had a couple of opportunities. So let me tell you really quick, guys, what I missed. This should be the entry right here, and I had my entry. So when this candle was closing, I had my entry like right here, right there. So you guys can see it didn't fill me in, and this just went up really quick. So that was the first entry that I missed. That should have been the one for today. The second one was here, same thing, nice setup, but again, see, like this one I just took right now is almost in the same area, right? So it was the same process. I was like, okay, it's too close to that resistance. So when this candle was closing, I put my entry like right here. And again, it didn't, it was really close. Like I remember this one was like 2 ticks away from filling me in, but it didn't. I want to push it because of that, and then boom, there it goes, right? This one, I saw it again. The market was here a couple of times and it went back up. And honestly, I just didn't take it because I wasn't 100%, because I don't like to take trades from minor zones, and it went back up. So that was already 3 missed trades that I had, right? So this one, that's why I was hesitant. You guys saw it. I knew if it was not gonna push it on that one, it was not gonna do it. So again, came back down. But with that said, guys, that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. 170, I'll take that. So it's Friday. Let's see how we did for the week. So give me 1 second. Let me get the trade performance here. All right, guys. So again, you guys took off the simulation account. All you see here are my Apex 10 accounts, the futures. Let's get rid of this null template. And let's see, generate. Okay, by the way, we started this on the 23rd. So this is the first full week. We started with this. So 120, yeah, 23. Okay, no, we started last week. Okay, so yeah, so this is the second week then. So yeah, let's generate that. All right, here we go. So we are $1,500 in profit. Took that small loss, $10. I think this was this morning. No short trades. I'll just be buying the market, and we are halfway to make that goal of the 3,000. So hopefully this next week, basically I would just need the first 3 days of next week to do it. If I get those two contracts hit, which is a $500. But with that said, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.